Hello, my name is Chibike Mobi, and we are Group 9. We are presenting on this is a presentation on our final project titled Contact Manager Web Application with Role-Based Authorization. Next slide. So this is our agenda for today. We'll start off with the project title, table of content, then the project description, then our team members, the key features, the ASP.NET code used, the final output, then a live demonstration. So I'll be handing over to Jerry Ewok to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Mobi. Project description. This project is a web-based application user-friendly platform where the contact manager allows users to manage their contacts effectively. The application is built in using ASP.NET Core and utilizes role-based authorization to control user access and permission. Now, the project team consists of 4 of us. We are a dedicated and skilled team of software developers working out the Contact Manager Web Application project. Our team is passionate about creating innovative solutions that simplify and enhance users' life. With a shared vision and a commitment to excellence, we strive to deliver a top-notch application that exceeds expectation. Now, my name, as introduced, Jerry Ewok. The other person that's on the introduced is Anthony Ofodum and Ron Tao Yang. Ron Tao Yang is going to take over from me.
So this project will include 6 key features. First is user registration and authentication. Users can register with their email and password and subsequently log in securely using their credentials. Second is role-based authorization. Application implements role-based authorization to differentiate between different user roles, such as administrators, managers, and registered users. Next, contact management. Authenticated users can create, view, edit, and delete their own contacts. Managers can also approve or reject submitted contacts. The admin privilege is the fourth key features. Only administrators have the authority to approve or reject contacts submitted by users and have the capability to delete any contact from the system. Next, data seeding. The application automatically seeds initial data, including an admin user and sample contacts to facilitate easy testing and usage. The last one is user-friendly interface. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to manage their contacts efficiently. Next, Anthony will explain all the details of our project.
All right, thank you, Rong Tao. So I'm going to be going through the live demonstration for this project. Okay, so right here is just the codes we used, and we have the final output of the project. Okay, so I'll be going through the live demonstration. Okay, so we are going to wait for the application to run. We want to see how the web app was actually built. Okay, so just give it a little time. Just a sec. All right, this is it. It's coming on. Just hold on a bit. Okay, and that is it. Okay, let me log out from this. Just go to the home page. Okay, so this is the home page, the welcome page, where we have the register button, the login button, and the contact manager, home, and the privacy. All right, the first thing I want to do is we want to log in as an admin. You know, remember we created the admin. We also created the authorization for the manager and the authorization for the created user. So I'm going to log in here as an admin. So we have the admin. We want to authenticate the admin user. So this is the email address and the password. Just going to put in the password. Okay. So right here, the admin has been authenticated. So we are right here in the admin's page, helloadmin@contoso.com. Okay, we're going to head over to the contact manager where we have the data. So we have the data right here. So for the administrator has the authorization to approve and reject contact created by the users and the manager. So it's only the admin that has that authorization. So an admin can edit all data. An admin can, let's go right here to the details. You can see an admin can approve and also reject a data. And an admin can also delete all data. Okay, let me go over and let's see. So right here, we can see that this particular Jerry Ewok, that's the data is approved. So let's go right here to this contact and we'll just approve. We want to approve. So right here, this data has been approved by the admin. Let's go over to this and we'll just go over to details. Okay, so let's just click reject. So as an admin, the admin has the authorization to reject. So you can see over here, if you look at the status, you have rejected, approved, approved. All right, I'm going to log out now. And just go over to the home page. So I want to log in as a manager. So I want to see some of the authorization policies created for the manager. So just hit here, the manager's email address, which is manager@contoso.com. Then the password, which has been created already for the manager. And enter. So right here, we are on the manager's page. So the manager has been authenticated. So right here, we can see hello manager@contoso.com. So let's head over to contact manager. So we can see the details. Now you can see that for the manager can see the status of the contacts. So rejected, approved by the admin. So a manager can edit all contacts data. Now for the manager, let's go over to the details. You can see right here, the manager cannot approve or reject any contact data. It's only the admin that has the authorization to approve or reject any contact data. Go back. A manager can also delete. You can see right here. You can delete all contact data. All right, let me log out. So we're going to register. We're going to register a user. So I'll just create a fictitious email address. So let's say anang@gmail.com. And we'll just create a password. We just create a password. So you see, passwords must have at least one alphanumeric character. So we must make sure we put in one alphanumeric character. So we're going to use the @ Just create this. So this is some of the way you can add security to your application. Okay. So register confirmation. We want to confirm this user. So you click here to confirm. Thank you for confirming your email. So now we have registered the user. So we go over to login. So right here, we just go anang@gmail.com. Then we put in the password. And login, we want to authenticate. So invalid login attempt. Okay, so you see, when you're in trying to authenticate a user, you must make sure you you must put in the right password. So we're right here in the created user. So let's go over to the contact manager. So we see, I'll just delete this because it was created by this. Let me just remove this, delete. And now for a created user cannot approve or reject any of the contact data, but can only edit or delete any data that has been created by that particular user. So you can see. So I just want to let me create a data. Just create a data. So we go Joe Bang and address 123 Jane Street, City, Barrie, State, Ontario, zip code 2345, and just email address. Just put in an email address, fang@gmail.com, and we create. All right, so you can right here we have the contact details that just been created by this user. This user can delete but cannot approve this. Okay, so that's just part of what we did in this our project. We created 3 users: the admin, the manager, and the created user. So I'm just going to log out. And that's it. Okay, that will be all for now. Thank you for listening.